Before the article was in the works, there were already a couple of technological advancements that came to pass before, which helped pave the way for technological human interactions. In the 1970s, when the concept of human and computer interaction first was introduced, there came the rise of the personal computer, which was a broad project that incorporated cognitive science, artificial intelligence, and other similar elements into its framework. In the early 1980s, the first graphical user interface, GUI, was developed, which helped improve the simplicity of the working environment. By 1986, Brenda Laurel wrote in her article, Six Elements and the Casual Relations Among Them and Star Raiders, that she was seeking to improve human interaction with technology using the principles of theatrical drama that she obtained from Greek philosopher Aristotle. This became the idea behind the Six Elements. To achieve her end goal, she proposed to use the elements of theater to provoke sincere engagement with the audience by well implementing and successfully translating those elements into technological human interaction systems.
Alright, so the article actually consists of two selections by Brenda Laurel, the six elements and the causal relations among them, where Laurel describes each of the six elements and how they relate, and Star Raiders, dramatic interaction in a small world, where Laurel discusses how these elements contributed to the booming success of 1979 video game Star Raiders. The following elements are listed in order of causal relation. Action, what is being done. Character, the performer of the actions. Thought, the internal processes leading the character to his actions. Language, the expression of thought. Pattern, an arrangement of sensory information. And enactment, which is what's physically received. Each element is the formal cause of all the elements listed after it. So thought forms language, thought forms pattern, thought forms enactment, action forms all of these. On the flip side, each element is the material cause of all the elements listed before it. So thought is a material that character is made of, thought is a material that action is made of, enactment is a material that all of these are made of.
Brenda Laurel'S idea to use the elements has been greatly utilized today in video games and programs using AI or programs interacting with users. There are examples such as TikTok with their system to give users what their system thinks they like, and continue to give the related content based on user responses, which is a system YouTube also uses. Twitter and Facebook use a follow system to only show things you follow, while your search engines fill in what you are searching quickly as if it knows what you are thinking. Finally, most games today make use of the elements whether they are story-driven or not, such as Red Dead Redemption 2 with their story or Doom Eternal with its great gameplay. The technologies of today have taken the idea and improved upon it using the increased power of the new software, which did not exist when the idea was created. Through the software, there are new ways to interact with users and new types of programs can be created. These all add to the complexity of the six elements and their relationships with each other, while also using them much more effectively together.